Okay, so we start off with a triangle, and we're going to go ahead and switch to the pen, and it gave me the apothem, right? The apothem is 3 meters, and it says what's the area?
That's the apothem, you don't have to go all the way up.
Yeah, because it starts in the middle, and it hits at a right angle. So that makes it the apothem. Find a color that comes through a little better there for you guys. There we go. So here is a triangle that's supposed to go to the middle. There we go. So what's this central angle going to be?
120.
Where do you get 120 from?
360.
Yeah. 360 divided by 3 gives me 120 degrees there. So let's go ahead and take half of that. So we're really talking about 60 degrees, right? Because I'm really working with this triangle. And that angle up there is my 60. This over here is 3. And so the real question now is I've got my apothem. What's my... There it goes. Let's get a better color to play with. Comes through better. There we go. Real question is what's this base along here? You can find that, right? Tangent again, isn't it? Except I'm rotating now. Instead of trying to figure out what the apothem is, I've got the apothem, I need to find the lengths of the sides. So I can go ahead and do tangent of 60 degrees is going to be the opposite, b, over the adjacent, 3. Tangent of 60, we've played around with that enough times now, haven't we? 1.732 equals b over 3. And somebody got b for me? 5.2? So if that's the case, if this is 5.2 here, what's the whole thing? 10.4. And therefore the perimeter is 3 sides times 10.4 or 30.12. No, it's not. 31.2. I had the right idea there. 31.2. And that means I can get the area now. 1/2 apothem, 3 times the perimeter, 31.2. That formula, 1/2 apothem times perimeter, you got to get that one down. Especially because there's a couple of items that we're going to say, hey, you know what? Forget all this crazy math. Do you remember the formula? Good. Here's the stuff. Here's the apothem. Here's the perimeter. Knock it out. And then that gives me, by the way, the area that we listed as 46.8. Ballpark-wise, half of 31 is going to be around 15. 15 times 3 is about 45. The answer's in the right ballpark. And then units, in this case, everything was in terms of meters, so I should be proper and say meters squared. Sorry, square meters as my area. Yeah?
Is it okay if you use tangent angle at 30 degrees?
As long as you flip the 3 and the B, yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Why did you area equals half of 3?
The formula for the apothem is... the area of a regular polygon is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. Good to go? Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's see. Do we want to do another one of these for glue, or should we get moving on?